Voila guys, look where I am. I'm in the zoo in Estepona. You see? It's quite cool, like it's like safari as well. So let's see. I've never been here before, so first time. Look, quite massive. See the cars? I can't see well because the sun is so bright, but let's check around. First time for me as well here. So I'm gonna show you, and now I have this stick as well. So I don't need to hold, I can hold like that. You know, if I hold this stick, it really reminds me like I'm this Japanese tourist. They always have these sticks. But yeah, here I am. Let's check around. Let's explore. Hello. Hi. Hi. You're scared. Don't be. Don't be scared. It's so quiet here. Hi. Come here. Come here. Yeah. I'm very glad it's not summer. I think